Amazon affiliate marketing is a great way to make money online by promoting Amazon products and earning a commission on each sale made through your referral link. Here are some steps to get started with Amazon affiliate marketing as a beginner. Sign up for the Amazon Associates program. Go to the Amazon Associates website and sign up for a free account. Once you sign up, you need to provide some basic information about yourself in your website or social media channels. Choose products to promote. You can promote any of the millions of products available on Amazon, but it's important to choose products that are relevant to your niche and audience. Look for products that have good reviews and high ratings, and that you believe your audience would be interested in. Create content that includes your affiliate links. You can promote Amazon products by creating blog posts, videos, social media posts, or any other type of content that includes your affiliate links. Make sure to disclose that you are an Amazon affiliate and include a disclaimer on your website. Drive traffic to your content. Once you've created your content, you need to drive traffic to it in order to get clicks on your affiliate links. This can be done through social media promotion, search engine optimization, or other marketing strategies. Track your earnings. Amazon Associates provides a dashboard where you can track your earnings and see how many clicks and sales you've generated through your affiliate links. Use this information to optimize your content and improve your earnings over time. Remember that affiliate marketing is a long-term strategy, and it takes time and effort to build an audience and start generating significant income. However, with persistence and hard work, Amazon affiliate marketing can be a lucrative way to make money online as a beginner. Amazon affiliate marketing is a great way to make money online by